my channel Beauty and the Peace. Hope everyone is doing great and you are safe at your home. I have started a new series called #WW, which means Winter and Wedding series. In this series, I will dump each and every possible video which is related to winter and wedding, means skincare, hair care, body care, makeup tutorial, makeup kits, everything. Today's video is about how to take care of your skin and hair internally and as well as your health, wellness, everything. So let's get started. First thing I want to suggest is drinking a lot and lots of water, because hydration is so much important for glowing skin, healthy hair and immune your digestive system. Okay, so recently I have came across a brand which is called Auric. Basically it's an Ayurvedic brand, and oh my god, trust me guys, they have a huge variety of products for skin care, hair care, weight loss and wellness for women and men. So guys, this time you are not gonna be disappointed, because Auric is serving some amazing products for you guys also. They have all the drinking products. Some drinks are for skin care, some for hair boosting, some for weight loss journey, कुछ प्रोडक्ट है women wellness के लिए, आप लड़के के लिए भी कुछ अलग सा प्रोडक्ट है, लेकिन सब कुछ ड्रिंकिंग का ही है. इफ़ यू आर टी लवर लाइक मी, then definitely you should give it a try for this brand, because they have huge variety of teas also. And the main thing I want to say, this is an Ayurvedic brand and this brand is trusted by nutritionists. Their products are made of potent herbs, and I have ordered for women wellness drink. So this is the packet and I ordered for 6 bottles. Okay, प्लास्टिक बॉटल लाइक एपी फिश के जैसा होता है, तो वैसा ही है. So you can see the brand is so much transparent that they have mentioned all the ingredients. Eventually the herbs they are used in this product, and the benefits of the herbs are also mentioned on their labeling. I just love that thing. So the ingredients are basically water, tender coconut water, deionized apple juice concentrate, lemon juice concentrate, herbal extract and black carrot extract. So in herbal extracts there are Shatavari, Manjistha and Moringa. So many things in one bottle. So in our daily life we are leading a very busy life, and especially before our marriage we know that there are hectic schedule for engagement, mehendi, haldi, so many occasions are there. So it's not possible to collect all the herbs and mixing it at home and make a good herbal drink for our skin or health or for hair. So I think this is the best option where you can get a ready-made product with all of these things. So definitely this is an advantage. Now came to the point of what is the benefit of all these herbs in this drink. The first thing is moringa. Personally I love moringa tea so much. They also have moringa tea in their product range, so if you want you can try. Now moringa provides multivitamins properties, so instead of taking multivitamins pill you can go for this drink, because that is awesome. Next thing is manjistha. If you are suffering for acne, pimple, or if you have been blemishes on your skin, then definitely you should go for this, because manjistha cleans and clear our skin. You guys know that before my marriage I have suffered a lot of acne issues, and that time मुझे पता होता तो definitely I would give it a try, but unfortunately that time I didn't know about this brand. That's my fault. Now is Shatavari. So Shatavari is an useful herb. So basically it helps to maintain the whole cycle of your body. It helps to balance your hormonal changes. So if you are having period cramp, if you are having mood swings, then definitely you should give it a try, because this will help to reduce your period cramp, or it will help to control your mood swings. ऐसा नहीं है कि पी लो और पूरा ख़त्म हो जाएगा, बट इट विल हेल्प टू कम यू डाउन. सो ग्रेजुअली इट विल वर्क बिकॉज इट्स एन आयुर्वेदिक ब्रांड. इट्स नॉट कि एलोपैथी का कोई मेडिसिन है, you are taking it and then it will gone. Okay, so you have to be regular on this product कि gradually it works and it cures your problem internally. So yeah, the main benefits of shatavari is it improves your fertility. So nowadays we knows that after 30 girls are suffering so much problem on their period or to conceive a baby. So there are lots of problems. So if you are taking this thing, it will help to improve your immune system, it will help to improve your hormonal cycle, and it will help to maintain the whole cycle of your body. As it is an ayurvedic product, so it doesn't have any chemical, there is no preservatives, no added sugar, and it's a low calorie drink. It's only a 14 calorie per 100 ml, which is really good. If you have PCOS, PCOD, then also you can try this product. I have a suggestion for you guys before your marriage, or if you are not getting married, then also you can have a 15 days or 30 days challenge, and you can place the order as per your requirement. Like if you want to improve your skin and you want to concentrate on your wellness, then you can order both of the products. If you want to weight loss and you want to take care of your hair, then also you can go for both of the products. If you are taking challenge for long period, then you can see the result. You can have one bottle per day, and if you want the best result, then you can go for 2 bottles per day also. It's an ayurvedic product, so no time boundaries for intaking this. Whenever you want, you can drink this, but once you open the bottle, you have to keep it in the fridge, otherwise you can keep it outside. If you like iced tea, then guys, trust me, you will love this, because this tastes like that only. I really love the taste. You will keep it in the fridge, when you will take out, you will feel that you are having iced tea. Trust me on that. Taste is good with all these benefits. No calorie, no added sugar, no preservatives. Oh my god, I think this is a wonder product. Guys, why you are waiting, just go and grab it. I will mention the website link in the description box, so you can go and check it out and just order as per as your requirement. For today, that is all, and I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. And this video is not any sponsored video, I just love the brand, that's why I have mentioned. Because you know guys, that I have always mentioned those products or those brands which I trusted. So I trust this brand, and this brand works for my health, that's why I'm recommending you. So if you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please share the link to your friends and relatives, because this thing will be helpful for them also. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because subscription is free, and your subscription can make me happy so much. So thank you guys, and bye bye.